love everything about you, but hate the way you lie. Can't seem to find myself. Maybe I should die. Maybe I should live. No time to say goodbye. I make love to you and fuck the rest. Ain't no love like yours. Maybe I'm just second base. If you ain't the one, wanna watch you dance. We can run it up. Teach me how to love you. We share the same table. If only God knew what I feel about you. Thoughts to myself, I just wanna dream. I can see the future, I can see tomorrow. Tomorrow and today, no worries about the time. I'm not looking behind. You stay on my mind. You keep me focused. You feed me. I love you more. I'm ready for whatever. We can steal the world. If with me, you play your part. I need you. You been there from the start. You make everything better. You teach me fuck them. And trust us. Time spent. Still it's not enough. Still got it us. Still want you. Still need you. Sexy as you are. Saw the things you do. The way you hold it down. The way you put it on. Never leave you lonely. Hope it's love misspelled. That's why I need you. That's why I care. That's why I'm there. No matter what, where we go, can't no one else go. Love, I need you. Love, let's take it slow. Look me in my eyes, beauty. I can see your pain. I can see your love. I can see us. No, I don't mean to rush. And to find love, this ain't the place. But I got the time to find it. Even if I gotta spend it. Where I'm from, it ain't no limit. I gotta show you different. I gotta keep this real. I promise, I won't waste your time. It's all about love. I'll go out like Pop or worse. Eating ice cream on my own. Sometimes I lose control. Take it slow for what? When I need you now. Got me going wild. Got me showing out. Got me going crazy. Maybe it's just me. The things that you do only for me.